Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. So before I get started, I want to say Alpha Futures doing 20% off all size accounts. You can use my code in the description to get this discount. As well as if you guys haven't joined my free Discord, make sure to join it. I get my levels here for free every single day coming into the morning, as well as trade recaps every single day that I trade. So it's literally free sauce. No reason not to join completely for free. But let's get right into this day, right? So coming into the day, we were kind of in this little range here, and we did react from this 4 hour gap. So and then we reacted super bullish, but we took out this internal high. So what did I want to see here? I want to see if we were to go higher to this high, which is one of my draws on liquidity higher. If we went higher, I wanted to see a continuation past this internal high, right? So right here, we obviously didn't get a continuation past that, but what did I want to see? I want to see like a close above this and then a retrace long towards that. We obviously didn't get that until we went down. What were my targets lower? Let's delete that. Targets lower were London lows along with the 8:30 unemployment news candle low, right? So right there, news low, right? Perfect. Okay. To reach that news low, we have to obviously invalidate this whole up leg, which is a very strong up leg, along with this very strong like 100-point news candle, right? Obviously, I'm not gonna wait for the whole thing to get invalidated because the end of the invalidation of that is literally the draw on liquidity. So I am not. I'm gonna try to pre-fire the invalidation, right? How do we do that, right? First, let's see what do we have to invalidate, right? This 15-minute gap, right? It's literally the only thing standing in our way for us to reach that draw on liquidity. Perfect. Again, I'm not gonna wait for the whole gap to get validated because if you do all the way down here, then look at the RR, right? It's literally one candle. So, anyways, how do we do this, right? I see. Okay, we timed this 15-minute gap when we push down the market open. Right here, if this 15-minute gap is to hold and it is to push us higher, then we should, from literally right here where we tapped it, we're pushing up. We have no reason to continue lower. We right here, if we're truly bullish, then we should just put a higher high right here and then continue up, right? And we don't do that. Instead, we put in a lower low and then we continue lower, right? Right here, we break past this internal low. What does that tell me? That tells me, okay, this candle has a very high likelihood of getting invalidated, right? So right here, I am predicting the invalidation of that gap. Again, why? Because if we were truly bullish, we already tapped this gap, right? We have no reason to tap it a million times before pushing up, especially in a liquid New York market, right? So right here, we tap this. We should, if we're bullish, if we're going to actually respect it, this is the time to respect it, right? We should start going up right here, making higher highs, but we didn't. So what does that show me, right? You make lower lows and then break past this, right? What does this look like, right? It's a downtrend, right? This is literally a downtrend, right? So right here, I said, okay, perfect. My draw on liquidity lower is confirmed, right? I don't know about London lows. I don't know about London lows is confirmed yet. You know, we have to see kind of like a body close like right here below this for it to be confirmed. But as of now, at least my data lows draw on liquidity is confirmed. So perfect. Right here, we got these candle sequences down. Strong candle close down. Perfect. That's all I needed to see. A strong candle close below this because this candle is kind of wicky, right? But this candle is perfect. Perfect right there. Obviously, I can't enter down here because as you can see, the RR is kind of bad, right? Because I put my stop loss up here, which is a safe stop loss, which is at the swing high because obviously we're downtrending, so we shouldn't take out swing highs. That's why I have to protect the stop loss. If my stop loss there, then obviously this is horrible R. So what I say, okay, I need my stop loss at I need my TP at a 1-to-1. So what I do, I literally just limit this for a 1-to-1. So it's somewhere here, bam, enter on this candle up, and then get a little bit of drawdown there, but it's okay because my stop loss is covering up to this swing high, which you shouldn't return to, as well as this 2-minute gap, which should hold if we were truly bearish, right? And yeah, we did, and there we go. In like 9-10 minutes, I had TP. I took this on my alpha right here, and then not on all of my top sub accounts. But yeah, you could have held till London lows. I just didn't feel too safe holding towards London lows because again, it was a low that took out another low in a higher time in a 4 hour gap. So just, I mean, it's crazy how we took out the low and now we're pushing up. It's kind of kind of rangy price action. So you could have held it till on the lows. I just didn't feel too safe doing that, and just I wasn't gonna risk the whole trade reversing on me. So, but yeah, pretty simple day, pretty easy trade. Just kind of like just more of this discretional trade. But yeah, pretty simple. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. I post these videos every single day, whether when I take a trade, whether I win, lose, break even. Follow my TikTok, Instagram. I post daily content there. Hirsch trades on all social media. Remember the Alpha Futures discount, 20% off, ends like at the end of the week, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, see you guys next time I take a trade. Peace.